Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to change the clock in Windows 10 from the 24-hour clock to the 12-hour clock and vice versa. So the first thing we're going to want to do is head over to our clocks and we want to left click on it and then left click on date and time settings. Now scroll down here and then left click on change date and time formats. Under short time, we want to click on this little drop down menu. The first option will present us with the 24-hour clock, also known as military time. So we want to go to the second option here, and this will change us back to the 12-hour time window. And if you want to go back, you can just select the first option again. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.